Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Docker. Today I'm facing one of the issue that Node.js Docker container can't connect to the MySQL. So here you can see that. Unable to do the connection. So I need to fix that issue. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here you can see that here I have added my host over here. So there is an issue with the host only port. I have already specified on which port I have run. Okay, so here I have a command right now. So here I have run this one, that sudo docker inspect with this id, container id. This is my MySQL container id. Okay, so here I have just run this command, and what I get the gateway. So here I need to check the default gateways, networks. In the networks, what I get, this is my IP address 117.30, and this is the gateway. That means where the things go taking place, right? So I need to use this gateway. Let's copy this gateway and paste this gateway over here. So let's see what happening over here. So let's do the gateway. Let's go to the terminal. Okay, so let's stop this container first. So you need to run this command, right? So make sure you have to docker inspect with this container id of this MySQL. Okay, save this, control X. Okay, so let's check the docker ps. So on which, so I think docker ps already run. So this is container id 74. Let's stop it first. So let's stop with container 74. Let's stop this container. After this it will stop. Okay, so let's build again, docker build, and then run with the port. Now you can see it is connected to the MySQL successfully. You can see. So the issue is with the IP. So this is how you can fix it. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.